Okay, we're gonna start this installation right here. Power ready, Cat 6 ready, cover everything, let's go. Okay, first step ready. So I like to paint this so when I install the screen you don't see any of the wood. So the screen is gonna be about right here, also on this side, just in case someone comes like this way, you wanna see it will show black. I can show you later. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, update number 3. So we already have, we can say almost half, and I'm gonna start do the rest.